Hi, I'm Leslie Luna and I'm a hula hoop artist.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Luna. I'm a contortionist and we're circus performers from the Luna Brothers Circus. This video was highly requested by a very special person, Angel.
We have Miss Angel. Do you have advice for a teenager trying to join the circus? Well, I have to say that stay in school, wait till you're 18. If you're still in school, you have to do this on and off kind of relationship with the circus where you have to go there for a little bit, come back, go to school, and then go back.
Yeah, and what I would say is a really good idea. It's good to try to work at the circus part-time, especially in the summertime. I wouldn't recommend winter. And in the summertime, you know, there's no school, everyone has part-time jobs, and I think the circus is a perfect part-time job. So we actually had a lot of teens come to the circus for part-time jobs in our circus.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did. And like sometimes, and the best part is, even if your parents don't let you like join the circus for traveling, you can work there for like a week and you get hands-on experience. And the best part is for teenagers, a lot of times the circus, they'll let you come work and help, but they give you a little bit of work to do because a lot of the work is usually really for more experienced people. So when you're unexperienced, they don't give you a lot of work. So you still get to enjoy the fun experience of being in the circus, right?
Yeah.
Like literally, a lot of people were really lucky. And then later they start joining because you make connections. So
If you really want to get into it, you marry someone from the circus, you date someone.
But they're teens.
Oh, when you get older.
Well, you can have a boyfriend or a girlfriend if you're a dude. You don't want to use them. Like, you need to, like, if you genuinely like them, that's a good way to start dating them. But other than just dating, you can also be friends with them. A lot of really nice circus people out there. There's a lot of
Very
nice
nice
people.
ones.
So it's a good way to make friends and make connections, right?
Yeah.
You know, like we've had a lot of friends that came and go from, that are not even from the circus.
I didn't marry a circus dude.
There's nothing wrong with wanting to be friends with circus people or wanting to date one. It's fine, you know?
Kyle, I'm looking at you.
We have a ringmaster we're calling. You see? Connections. Make connections.
Oh, these are my tips. Patience, focus, practice, finish school, work hard, feed your dog, your cat, shower.
Well, I would also say patience is very important. It could take years or months or weeks or days to join a circus. You know, even as a teen, it might take longer because for adults, it's a little bit easier because they have their own freedom.
This is my son.
This is Leo. He'll be joining us for today.
He loves camp.
It's important to be patient and know that, like, if you do join a circus, you have to bring a guardian. A guardian is important, like this person. This is kind of one of my guardians. You can bring your older sibling. You can bring your aunt, uncle, grandparent. It has to be somebody with you, a guardian to go travel with you at the circus. Because at the circus, they don't take minors with them, you know? Like, they really don't.
Everyone has their own journey.
Patience is very important because, like, in the circus, the journey is so different. It's very, very unique. It's not like anybody else. They became circus people for really different reasons. So yours is going to be very unique. It's so important to start somewhere, anywhere. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be any part of show business. Because you start, you'll get somewhere. Like, it's like that's very important.
Patience.
Because they have a connection to the circus somehow. It's weird. It does just happen.
If you love the circus, none of the tips matter. If you don't love the circus, then it doesn't matter.
Yes. Because if you love the circus, no matter what, you'll be in the circus.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Hey.
Hi.
If you want to see more circus content like this, let me know, please. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Because I would be happy to answer, me and Leslie both. Oh, Angel, if you want to do flying trapeze, I love that act. Me and my sister really want to do that act. We're probably going to do it. And my parents, they've done it like my dad and uncle, they were in Ringling as a 15-year-old. Anyways, like if you want to do flying trapeze, I would recommend going to a circus school or a flying trapeze school, and they have a big beautiful setup and it's extra safe a lot of times. It's good to do it. Find a one near you and you can learn one there. I bet the money there, it's worth it because you get to learn it. You know, that's a good recommendation. And also, when learning flying trapeze, they're probably going to teach you this. You grab the arms like this. They don't grab the arms like this. Like this. And not like this. Like this. No monkey arms. They do this. They grab and you can't let go. You can try it to yourself because it actually won't let go. And I injured myself last time I did that, trying to let go. And also, you use some type of white powder on your hands so you don't
like
slip.
White chalk or something.
Yeah, white chalk. My sister told me about it. She knows a lot more than me. Right? Like, yeah, they use it so they don't slip and fall. You see that a lot in the circus movies. And also, you always point your feet. That's like in any circus act. So it won't be any surprise if you had to point your feet during flying trapeze. And a lot of times you keep your legs straight. You know, and of course listen to the instructions carefully. And don't look down. Nobody looks down. And thank you for the question. I hope for more stuff like that in the future. And thank you for watching. It's stuck. Oh, wow.
Playing video games.
Oh, why?
Do you have an
For a teenager.
Do you have a
Yeah. So what so